If you're getting started in excavation or just need a powerhouse machine and a mini footprint, look no further. Meet the Bobcat E17 Compact Excavator. It punches well above its weight by doing tough work in tight spaces. With optimized zero-tail swing design, a retractable undercarriage, in-track swing frame, and a foldable dozer blade, the E17 can get into tight areas, shrinking from 53.5 inches to just 38.6 inches wide to move around obstacles and into position. Then, once you're ready to work, it expands for impressive digging power, delivering 3,271 pounds of force for bucket digging. Under the hood, it features a 15-horsepower engine. A load-sensing pump paired with a closed-center hydraulic system delivers smooth, strong, multifunctioning controllability. You'll have more power and flexibility for traveling and operating the work group simultaneously for enhanced productivity and more seamless operation. Inside the open canopy operator station, low-effort joysticks help reduce fatigue for those long days behind the controls. Fingertip boom swing and auxiliary controls take precision to a new level. Attachment versatility is built in. The E17 pairs with a handful of Bobcat attachments such as augers, breakers, and more, plus upgradable coupler. An underboom light and after shutdown lighting boost visibility when the light gets low. Getting to the job site matters, and the E17 weighs just over 3,700 pounds and is designed to take the hassle out of transportation. Convenient tie-downs, built-in lift points, and slew brake make trailering hassle-free, and two-speed travel helps you get working faster. With a machine this capable, uptime is always the highest priority. That's why we've built in features to keep maintenance needs low. A robust work group with cast pivot joints and precise cylinder fittings is engineered for long-term durability. Wide clearance between the tracks and upper structure sheds mud and debris to protect components, while easy opening covers add durability against the elements. The E17 isn't just a compact excavator, it's your productivity multiplier. Take advantage of the latest Bobcat design advancements at a base price. Practical features that work hard from day one. Get in, get going, get more done with the Bobcat E17.